Hi, I'm Mark Deguara from Emerson Network Power. I'm the National Product Manager, looking after all our enterprise products, so that's precision cooling, UPSs, transfer switches, racks, basically the whole Emerson Network Power portfolio. The presentation covers a number of areas. Looks at energy efficiency and how that impacts the data centre. Then we look at different applications, so from a UPS or power perspective and also a cooling perspective. And what we're looking at is not that one product fits all, and basically you should have an application and then have suitable products for that application, as opposed to having one product and trying to fit that to every application. So we're having a broad scope of products available to us, and we're looking at applying the right product for the right application. This is an interesting challenge between availability, flexibility, energy efficiency. Certainly, if you look at symposiums and what people are looking at, a lot of people are putting energy efficiency as number one. However, and I posed the question today, if you only had a choice between availability and energy efficiency, what would you put first? And without question, everyone said availability. So from a business perspective, you need to put the three concepts in the right application. So energy efficiency is definitely important. Obviously availability should be your key criteria, and you shouldn't lose focus on that, and underpinning that with flexibility. So you take all three into account, you look at your business model and ensure that as part of your business model that you take these three concepts into account, as opposed to taking one in isolation. Okay, energy efficiency throughout Asia is certainly becoming the top topic. The main reason being is, cost benefit is what a lot of people say, and then there's the green perspective. Certainly in Australia, with government legislation, green is becoming important, not only from a dollar perspective, but being a good corporate citizen. Then the challenge is to make sure that energy efficiency, yes, is high on your agenda when you're building your data centre or your computer room, but once again without losing focus on that availability. So drive for energy efficiency, but also don't just take the infrastructure into account. A lot of people are looking at the infrastructure as a good way to save energy. However, as part of my presentation today and past presentations where we talk about energy logic, saving money at the IT level from an energy perspective gives you a cascading effect. So in potential, there's a much bigger saving by investing in energy efficiency in your IT as opposed just to the infrastructure. The main takeaways from a presentation would be not one size fits all. Make sure the equipment that you choose for your data centre is suitable for the application, as opposed to having a vendor push a particular product for an application. Look at your application and ensure that what the vendor is offering you is suitable for that application. The other thing is efficiency without compromise. At the end of the day, yes, efficiency is important and there's a drive for energy efficiency, but availability is still number one. It underpins what a data centre is. It needs to be available, and efficiency without that availability is not worth the efficiency that you think you're gaining. It's been a very worthwhile day. It's interesting to see a lot of vendors, some new vendors. Interesting to see the clientele that have come through. There's people I've never met before, the challenges they're facing. It's a very changing space, and the marketplace is definitely starting to strive again. Financial crisis has had an impact, but looking at this event today, it's interesting to hear people starting to look to the future and look to new technologies and availability and energy efficiency as part of those new technologies.